In this tutorial, we will describe how to complete the startup wizard for your food menu app. Start by adding your email address where customers can reach you directly. Now, enter your first and last name for identification to customers. Next, enter your business or personal mobile number where customers can reach you. Excellent. Now enter your food truck or cloud kitchen business name. Next, begin to enter your business location and select from Google Maps. This location may be changed inside your admin dashboard at any time. OK, next, enter your business Facebook page by simply copy-pasting the address. OK. Let's get you paid for your meals and deliveries. Enter your PayPal client ID. Learn how to obtain your PayPal client ID from the Frequently Asked Questions page on rapidgodriver.com. PayPal also requires your PayPal secret key code specific to your business. Learn how to copy-paste that number at the Frequently Asked Questions page at rapidgodriver.com. Stripe is another safe payment method that accepts most credit cards. Enter your Stripe publishable key. Learn how to copy-paste your Stripe publishable key code at the Frequently Asked Questions page. Stripe also requires a Stripe secret key code. Learn how to copy-paste the code at the Frequently Asked Questions page. Good job. We are almost there. Next, select one operating system for your business: Android, iPhone, or Windows PC operating system. For iPhone operating system users, enter your iPhone Unique Device Identification Number, UDID. Learn how to retrieve the number from your iPhone at the Frequently Asked Questions page. And finally, accept the privacy policy and terms of service conditions and finish by clicking the arrow forward. Congratulations! You will have your encrypted food menu admin app in 3 days. Thank you for choosing the finest and most complete food menu app.